That's all you need to put in it. Nothing more. Because that dill pickle juice is going to be your marinade for your chicken tenders that we're going to fry up for supper this afternoon. So, till then, see ya. Hi, I'm Brenda with Nana's Hidden Apron. Today we're going to fix some fried chicken for our supper. It's going to be keto. What I have done for the past 6 hours, I know it looks weird, right? But this is actually pickle juice. And I have 8 chicken tenders that I've been marinating in just dill pickle juice, nothing more. So, let me get this drained, okay? Okay. Now that we've got that drained, over here in my skillet, I actually pre-fried some bacon earlier. So I've got the fat from the bacon. It was 4 slices of bacon. But along with that, I put some coconut oil in. So it was about a 1/3 cup of coconut oil. So I'm going to fry these chicken. Yes, we get fried chicken with keto. Going to fry these chicken tenders in that. Now, in here, I have 3/4 cup of coconut flour. I also have a pinch of salt. That's the pink Himalayan salt. You could use sea salt, but you know, one of those two would probably be the best. And then I also have 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I've got that all mixed together. And we're actually going to pour this into a Ziploc bag. Or a zipper block bag, I should say, yes. Anyhow. Alright. Now, I'm going to put these in. Just a couple of them at a time. I like to leave a little air in there so when you shake this around, it shakes real good. I've got an audience and a half down here. That would be Sarah, the little brown one running around looking at me, and Brinkley, who is also affectionately known as Mr. Isn't that right, sir? Yes, and sir. He's the boss. Can you tell? But we want to get enough breading on these, and then I'm going to just arrange them in our oil that's been hot. You don't want to fry these really, sorry, you don't want to fry them really quick or anything. Just let them do a good slow fry so that you don't burn them. This coconut flour, when you fry it, as I learned my first time, does have a tendency to burn a bit. See, it's already spitting, so I'm going to turn it down. Smells good in here. I have the bacon. If you're wondering about the bacon, I actually pre-fried some of that, and for our side this evening we're having bacon wrapped asparagus, little tender asparagus. So I actually have those in the oven baking at 375. They're going to bake for about 45 minutes, and there's going to be some photos of it. And what I did was, obviously I cut the tips off, washed them, sprinkled a little pink Himalayan salt on them, just a tiniest bit of garlic powder, and then wrapped them with that bacon. And then I put them on, of course, my mama's baking pan. but not before putting some parchment paper down, because we don't want to make a mess of Mommy's pan. And I've got those in the oven right now. They're baking, so you can imagine things are smelling pretty good in this kitchen right now. But I do have to move those around just a little bit. Not too sure I'm going to get them all in here in the first batch, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and get these out. Put them in this coconut flour mixture. Now, this is my version of the recipe that you see on some of the social media pages for the, they call it the copycat Chick-fil-A. Well, I took that recipe and made it keto. So that's where the whole soaking the chicken comes from. Now, I use white meat. That's just our preference. Now, if you want to, you can get some deboned dark meat, you know, the thighs, and use that, or you can debone it yourself. But you can use that as well. I haven't. Again, we like the white meat better than the dark meat when it comes to the poultries. So I haven't tried tasting it, but I should imagine it would taste just as good. But let me get a little bit of my mess cleaned up here, get some stuff put away, and I'll be back with you guys in just a minute. And here we go. It smells so good. How about that? Fried chicken. Asparagus wrapped in bacon. Keto. Yum, yum. And I have a couple pieces for my lunch tomorrow too. Okay, Thomas, Chip. This is for him, this is for me. Shall we give it a try?
Yes, let's. Oh, don't even need a knife, y'all. Cut it with a fork. You seen it with your own eyes. I see you over there looking.
It's hot too, so.
Wipe the drool off your chin.
Mm-hmm. Goosebumps. If he gets goosebumps, I know I've done something right on my cooking. See you, buddy. He's heading over there to eat. I think I'm going to join him. The recipe will be in a blog, in a description. And if you like this video, please do click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to Nana's Hidden Apron yet, please do so. I have a Facebook page called Handcrafted By. It has a lot of my recipes and photos of cakes and stuff that I've made. So, you all have a good afternoon and evening. Enjoy your day off before you head back into work tomorrow. Be safe, and until next time, have a good day.